Makabayan Block, ipina-impeach si Sara. Hinainan na ng Makabayan Block ang ating content for the past few weeks na si VP Sara Duterte ng kanyang impeachment complaint na inendorse ng Akbayan. Na ang mga charges against her is graft and corruption sa confidential expenses, panunuhol at betrayal of public trust, illegal na pagkuha ng kaban ng bayan at iba pang high crimes, because that's what the Constitution of the United States also has in their constitution. Now, we remember from President Ferdinand Marcos na in a totally leaked and definitely private conversation where he said, blah, 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 pinasabihan ni President Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang kanyang tao sa House of Representatives na wag na mag-file ng impeachment complaint laban kay Duterte. Ang sabi niya sa text message, "In the larger scheme of things, Sara is unimportant. So please do not file impeachment complaints. It will only distract us from the real work of Alamano, which is improve the lot of all Filipinos." Now, of course, I don't freaking know, or I don't even freaking buy the whole na-leak yung private conversation namin itong taong ito. Well, who is that person? Sino yung nag-leak nun? Private correspondence. Tapos, bigla na lang nalileak sa media. Kasi this is all theatrics to deal a blow at Sara's moral. To say, she is unimportant. She is an unimportant person. At wag na natin sayangin yung oras natin dito. Kasi